Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use the 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. So first, make sure that you're registered. So if you're not, please kindly register. And then step 2, what you want to do is complete the mandatory Bybit SATOs onboarding upon sign up. Be sure to secure your spot and enjoy a 20 USDT coupon. It's first come first serve, so you really need to sign up. Step 3, deposit at least $100 via one-click buy, fiat deposit or crypto deposit, and trade a minimum of $500 within 7 days of signing up. As a reward, you'll receive an extra 1,000 token via airdrop. So yeah, you will find your 20 USDT coupon on Bybit on your My Rewards tab right here. So it will look like this. So you'll get this once you're signed up and then you can use it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the 20 USDT coupon on Bybit. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.